hi, namaskar. Welcome to our channel and I am Bhavya. Are pimples robbing you of your sleep? That is not going to happen anymore because I am here and I am going to provide to you some best home remedies to get rid of your pimples. So let's start. But before starting, we have to understand what are pimples, what is acne, what are acne. And for that, basically it's a big topic, but I'll try my best to explain it to you within 4 to 5 minutes. Now there is this one question, what are pimples? These are the skin inflammations that occur when the sebaceous gland or the oil glands of our skin get affected by the bacteria and swells up. Now these glands are present all over your body except your palms and your feet. And when these glands are affected, you get pimples. These glands secrete oily or waxy substance that's called sebum. And sebum helps to maintain the balance of oil in our body. And when there is any kind of abnormality with the sebum and these oil glands, pimples occur. Lemon juice, but it is not recommended for the people who have sensitive skin types. A few drops of lemon juice could be applied on your acne as it would reduce the inflammation and the swelling. But if you have a sensitive skin, then please do not use it. Pimples and acne are the worst fear of any woman or man too. So the explained home remedies could be used in your daily lives, and that too, everything is available right there in your kitchen. So if you like the video and if you would like to watch other videos of our channel, like, comment, subscribe, share. Thank you.